Understanding results. Welcome to Evince training videos. In our previous video, we saw the basic aspects and power of the Evince Site Scanner. We learned how to create a simple scan of a website, analyze the generated report, and inspect the results. In this video, we are going to dive deeper into understanding the results. Let's open the report that the Evince Site Scanner created for the demo website. In the previous video, we saw that the overview section of the report showed that 610 pages were analyzed and 18,206 total issues were found. In this video, we will dive into the next 4 sections in detail. Let's begin with the components section. We saw in the earlier video that the issues are clustered into repeating code patterns called components. So if you fix one issue, you address multiple occurrences of the same issue across your code base. In this case, 18,206 total issues are reduced to simply 14 components. We can see the details behind each component, the issues addressed, the pages impacted, issue types, as well as a snapshot example. For example, this one component has a total of 3,648 issues across 608 URLs. We can also see the types of issues. In this example, all 608 issues are interactable role issues. To understand more on the interactable role issue, we can click on it, and it will take us to the Evince knowledge base for interactable role. We can see a screenshot of an example URL with the issue highlighted. If we click it, we can see the page itself. Here we see the A/B testing button marked because it has an interactable role issue, which means that anybody using a screen reader is unable to access this button. If we click on the More Details link, we can go to every URL, issue type, severity, and a snapshot example for each issue tied to this component. Next, let's look at the Issue Types section. For each type of issue, it shows the severity as well as the number of occurrences found. We can see that the interactable role issue, which is critical, has 6,357 occurrences across the website. At the same time, there are 2,754 color contrast issues that are categorized as serious. We can sort the list based on severity so that we see all the critical issues grouped together. Now let's see how we can look at a specific type of issue. We will filter by type. In this example, keyboard accessible. When we apply the filter, we can see that Evince shows that there were 5,719 occurrences of the critical keyboard accessible issue. The next section is Pages. Here you can see all the pages scanned, the total number of issues, and the distribution of issues by severity. You can always filter the list based on the issue type or severity. Lastly, we see the All Issues section. It summarizes the breakdown of the issues based on the different URLs, issue type, severity, component, as well as details. For example, the first issue highlighted is on the Projects page. It is an interactable role issue that is categorized as critical. The snapshot shows that the A/B testing button is inaccessible. This helps us identify the issues quickly on the page. Let's click on the image. We can see that the A/B testing button here is inaccessible. The severity is categorized as critical, as a person using a screen reader would be unable to access this. This is the solution Evince offers for creating a simple scan and analyzing and understanding the results. In this demo scan, we used the default settings, which allowed us to crawl up to 1,500 pages and remain in the context of our seed domain. To learn how to customize the configuration of the scans, please watch our video on Advanced Configuration. Groundbreaking technology saves time. Sign up for a free trial or contact us for a demo.